Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by InTheMoneyStocks. Today is Tuesday, August 8th, 2017. My name is Nick Santiago. Thank you all for tuning in this morning. All right, looking at the S&P 500 E-mini futures, you'll see that the futures this morning are trading lower by 3 3/4 points to 24.73 3/4 per contract. So all in all, futures did catch a little bit of a bid, but they have sunk back down, and we'll see how this market plays out today. All in all, yesterday the markets did catch a bid and stay higher, although it was not a big move by any stretch. The markets did finish positive, and today will be very, very interesting as we get back into lots and lots of earnings. And again, that's where we're going to focus our attention this morning. First stock we're going to take a look at is going to be TWLO. TWLO is the ticker symbol here. Stock right now is trading at $34.61. Closed at $30.53. So big pop here for TWLO. And all in all, we are going to have gap resistance levels for this name. So this will be in play right off the bat here. So again, if you want to come over and trade alongside of us, take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat. We had another solid day yesterday and another winning day in the books in the intraday stock chat room. So again, if you want to trade alongside of us, come on over, take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat. You could trade right next to us. And again, you see our desk screens, our desktops live, and it's a great program. We're having a great 2017. Next up, we're going to take a look at CAR. This is Avis Budget. Stock was lower. It is now getting a pop. So I was looking for a level around 25.65 for a buy level. Keep that on the radar today either way. But right now, this is starting to move back up. So Avis Budget catching a little bit of a bid here. Even though the stock is down from yesterday's close, you can see how over the last 30 minutes it started to really move higher again. Again, keep on the radar though if it gets lower. 25.65 today if it does come back down. Let's take a look at MTW, which is Manitowoc. This stock is trading at 805, closed at 741. I have to think that this is probably hitting some kind of resistance here. I would look for very little upside. If you own it, trail the stop loss. If you don't own it, leave it alone. Let's take a look at KORS. KORS on the move today. Stock is trading at $43.20. Great move here from KORS. I will have gap resistance levels ready for this name this morning. So again, if you have not done so, come on over, take that 7-day free trial. We'll have gap levels ready for KORS today should the stock trade higher. A great move today so far for KORS. Let's take a look at Foot Locker. FL is ticker symbol here. Looks like this is an upgrade. Stock closed yesterday at $48.84, now trading at $50.40. So nice little move there for Foot Locker. Next up, we're going to take a look at Marriott. MAR is the ticker symbol there. Stock is trading at $102.85. Closed at 106.17. This is a pretty good little haircut. The only level that really interests me for this stock would be probably around 98.50 or so. So if it gets down there, I will be looking at this. Again, this is a name we'll bring up in the intraday stock chat room today. Next up, we're going to take a look at CVS. CVS Health. CVS. Let's get the ticker symbol right. There it is, and you'll see the stock right now is trading at $77.40. This closed at $79.12. Got an immediate pop, and then look at the big sell-off that's ensued. So all in all, this is going down a little bit further. I am seeing some daily chart support around the 76.60, 76.65 level. Keep it on the radar. If it falls further, I'll have gap levels for us. But right now, right off the bat, I'm seeing 76.60, 76.65, somewhere in there. Give or take 5 to 10 cents. Lots of support on the daily chart. Next up, we want to take a look at RL, which is Ralph Lauren. Stock is flying high this morning. It closed at $78.15, now trading at $82.20. So real solid move there. I don't know how high they could take this name today. You have the 200-day moving average coming up into play here around 84 bucks, and that's going to match up with a pivot. So there's a lot of resistance there. That could be a pullback level. Keep that on the radar. But gap-wise, right off the bat, when I look at this name today, our gap play would be higher. So just be aware there's a lot of resistance ahead coming up for Ralph Lauren. Next up, we have VRX, which is good old Valiant. This thing has been all over the map for the last year or so, and today the stock is getting a little bit of a pop, trading at 16.53 after earnings, closed at 15.37. Again, it's just not enough of a move for me to take action at this point in time, but we'll keep it on the radar. Let's take a look at GWPH, everybody's favorite pharmaceutical. Stock is getting hit today, closed at 115.10, trading at 109. I have a mathematical level for you today on this name. Two spots. If you're gutsy, around the 101 level, maybe a Pierce of 101, $100.95. And another nice level I have is going to be right around 95.65. So keep that on the radar. Two levels there for GWPH. Wayfair is in the news here with a little move, shaking and baking. But again, I don't know if we can make too much out of it. Stock closed at $80.57. Just sold off all the way down to $77.95. Now back to 81. So we're not going to make much out of that, but we'll keep it on the radar today. This has been a major winner over the past year. So again, a little bit overbought in my opinion, but we'll see how it plays out today. We'll keep it on the radar, and we'll look at this one in the intraday stock chat room. All right, let's shift gears here a little bit. We want to go over to the gold market. Gold is trading up $3.12 on spot. Right now, gold is trading at $1,268 an ounce. So gold is ticking up a little bit. If you take a look at the GLD, which is a good gold ETF, you'll see this is trading right around the 119.98 level, 120 area. So all in all, no big change there, up a little bit. Crude oil is actually lower today by about 9 cents. So crude right now trading lower by 9 cents to $49.30 a barrel. If you take a look at the USO, which is a good oil ETF, you'll see that is trading at $10.11 at the moment, basically flat, unchanged from where it closed yesterday. So there we have it. Again, lots of gap plays. If you have not done so, come on over, take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat. We're going to have some gap plays in the morning just due to all these earnings that are still coming out. And again, lots of plays on the board. Good money to be made here this morning. With that being said, I'm going to wish you all a great trading session, and we will see you on the charts.